Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can just request reviews with JudgeMe app, maybe using an email or push notification or SMS. By effectively requesting reviews, you can just enhance your store's credibility and also encourage more customers' engagement. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For this, you have to install Judge Me Reviews app from the Shopify App Store for the first step. So, after installation, you can just access the Judge Me dashboard from this app section. So, if you want more control over who receives this request and when to customize your request reviews, navigate to Judge Me dashboard and head over to settings and go to request scheduling. Here you can just enable or disable the domestic or international requests. And also you can adjust the timing by setting the number of days after the fulfillment before the request is sent. Next, if you want to personalize the email your customers receives, click on email templates and edit. Here you can just edit the subject, contents and the sender informations for your email requests. Like you can just click on sender settings and you can just see the sender info to be filled up here. And also you can just template styling, you can just edit from here. You can add the store logo here and you can just have multiple options to have all the styling of your email requests. Actually, a personalized touch in emails can significantly increase the likelihood of your customers completing the review. And for those of you who are looking to send reviews requests for the past orders, you can just go to the request review section and you can just schedule requests for this past orders by choosing a start date for the orders to be included. This is an excellent way to engage the customers who might have missed the initial review request. So you can just click on single request. Maybe if you want to send the email request for a single person, and also you can just add the multiple requests by adding the CSV file to this. The file should contain the reviewer name, email and also the product details and the date. And yeah, that's how you can just add the or request reviews by an email. And for you some of them want to be send this reviews to be sent as push notification or maybe as an SMS. For those you who want the push notification or SMS request reviews, then you can just have to add some integrations part to your admin panel. So you go to the integration, and if those who are looking for a push notification one, you can just recommended app is the Push Owl. This is the best practice. You can just go to Push Owl and just install it and have the enable the push notification. So I remember that this kind of notification will work only when the customer is enable the push notification in their browsers. And for the others, or some of them want to have the notifications to be sent via SMS. So for those people, the best practice is the ConvertAway. So use the ConvertAway app to install, and you can just add the SMS or send the request reviews through the SMS. So that's how you can just request reviews via email very easily. And also you can just explore the Pushall app and the ConvertAway app for the other option as the other options. So while you're waiting for, just try this out in your online store using Judge Me app. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.